What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be throwing a brand new set of floor mats in my Toyota Tacoma, and I'm actually super excited about these ones, so let me go ahead and show you why. Alright guys, so here are the new floor mats that I'm going to be putting in my truck, and like I said, super excited about these ones. I think they are probably the best looking floor mats on the market. They kind of have this little carbon fiber type look, and this is still grippy. It's like kind of like a little bit of a hard plastic with a little bit of a rubberized feel to it. The feel is similar to other floor mats on the market. It just looks cooler in my opinion. But the reason that I'm actually super excited about these floor mats is I actually did a Trail Tacoma article a while back where I went over a bunch of different options for floor mats for the Tacoma. And these were at the top of my list just solely based on looking at websites, doing some research about user reviews and whatnot, seeing which floor mats I thought would be the best options for the Toyota Tacoma. And like I said in that article, I'm pretty sure these came out on top as far as looks for me and just like seeing good things about them. So I'm super excited to finally get a set. They sent me the front ones as well as the rear, and they also sent me this seat defender, kind of like seat cover for the back, so that I can put that down with the dog in the back. As you guys know, probably if you've seen my dog mod video, I love throwing my dog in the back of the truck, so this will be helpful throwing him in the back of the truck without having to put the seats down. It'll cover the seat, so super excited about that as well. So like I said, I think these look really cool. They look kind of carbon fiber-ish with the pattern they have. The logo looks pretty nice on it, comes covered so it's not scratched or anything, but one of the really cool things about these is actually on the back side, and that's kind of the material that they use to lock it into the carpet. So I'm not sure how much you can tell there, but it's like kind of like Velcro-y almost, with a bunch of little like strings poking out that'll grab onto the carpet, so that way it won't slide around while you are driving or stepping on it or anything like that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed in the truck real quick and see if they live up to the hype. So slight issue, totally not the fault of the actual floor mats. The 3D MAXpider mats look good. However, they do not fit with the seat jackers, which obviously this company couldn't account for an aftermarket mod like this. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the seat jackers just real quick to fit up the mat and see how it works. If I really like it, I can go ahead and cut into it a little bit just to make it fit with the seat jackers and the molly panel here. I think that's more the bigger issue there, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. But just to note, if you have seat jackers on your truck, you might need to cut them up a little bit to fit these MAXpider floor mats. Alright, so I got the seat jackers out, and honestly I'm not too mad about it. I've been kind of wanting to take out at least the rear ones for a while now because honestly my driving position was a little bit too high. It was hard to see like stoplights as I was sitting at them and whatnot. So it's literally been months that I've wanted to take those rear ones out, so this kind of gave me the push to go ahead and do that. Unfortunately, I did lose the front ones, so we'll have to see how the seating position is driving it stock. I'm sure I'm going to miss them a little bit, especially on those long car rides, but like I said, if I need to, I will go ahead and cut into the 3D MAXpider floor mats to make those front ones fit, because I do think they are a great mod and they're nice to have in the truck, like I said, especially for those long car rides. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's go ahead and actually get these floor mats into the Tacoma. I know for a fact 100% they're going to fit now. Alright, so after just throwing this front driver's side floor mat in, I was immediately reminded why these were at the top of my list when I went and did that Trail Tacoma article. Check out how much coverage these actually provide. That's why they didn't fit with the seat jackers, because they have a lot more coverage than the Amazon ones that I was using before. So as you can see, we get a bunch of coverage up even onto the door jamb here. Just super nice. With the other ones that I had in, they kind of just stopped at the cut right here, which meant a lot of dog hair, as you can see, falls into there, and it was all along this line. In addition to that, we get a bunch of coverage up here, up onto the actual like bump here before the seat. So again, super nice. You're not going to have a bunch of dog hair or dirt or whatever falling into the little crevice here. In addition to that, this comes up pretty far on the side here, and then you got, of course, great coverage in the back there. Not sure you can really see that, but yeah, overall these cover a lot of space in here, and they fit absolutely perfect. Like, the tolerances are crazy on this, honestly. They fit great, and I think they look really, really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you guys think these look good? I'm gonna go ahead and install the rest of them and then show you guys how they fit in the rear and on the passenger side. All right, so once again with the passenger side here, same amount of coverage exactly, pretty much. You know, we got it up on the door jamb here, super tight into the actual seat bump here, and then up the side and up in the top back there. Lots of coverage, and they fit so good. It's honestly kind of insane how well they fit. Probably, honestly, the best out of all of the floor mats I've ever tried, including Husky liners, the Amazon ones, the stock ones, etc. All right, and then ignore the hairy dog seats, but once again, man, these things fit just so well inside the truck. Like, the tolerances again are insane. Normally with a lot of these floor mats, the center bump here has a huge gap between, but there's really nothing. Like, it's in there tight on the sides as well. Like, these things fit incredibly well, so I'm super duper pumped about these. I'm gonna go ahead and install the seat defender. That'll hopefully prevent this hairy seat from happening anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that real quick and show you guys what that looks like. All right guys, so here's the seat cover. By the way, I'm pretty sure this is universal, so you can use it in pretty much any seat. It's definitely adjustable. You can see the long adjustment cord over there hanging, but these actually fit pretty nice. They feel pretty good as far as like a seat cover goes. They're definitely not like a tight fit seat cover, obviously. They're just kind of like flapping, and they're really just here for protection. But the other side is this grippy material, which is nice, so it doesn't like slide around a lot if it has weight on it. But I think this would be great for like someone that has a dog that doesn't want to put the back of the seats down all the time, or maybe someone that does like Uber or something, and you know, they don't want their seats getting dirty. They're a pretty nice budget, kind of like easy, quick option for seat covers, and they're easily removable. It's literally just unclip the top and rip it out. So yeah, that's a cool little product from 3D. They're pretty well made. If you're in the market for something like this, would definitely recommend it. Alright guys, so there you have it. Those are the 3D MAXpider floor mats for the Toyota Tacoma. I'm honestly kind of shocked at how well they fit into the truck. I knew I had them hyped up a bit in my head from that Trail Tacoma article I wrote a while ago, but honestly they lived up to the hype for me, and I truly believe these are probably the best Toyota Tacoma floor mats on the market. And I'm saying that honestly, not because they sent these to me, not because I already had the preconceived notion that they would be great. I honestly think they fit really, really well. I really like the pattern on the top, the little grippy kind of carbon fiber looking pattern, as well as the bottom part with the little fuzzy stuff that kind of grips into the carpet and prevents them from sliding. I really think these are going to be a great floor mat option for me in my Tacoma, so I'm super pumped about them. If you guys are interested in getting a set, obviously I will have a link below. I think I might even have a discount link for you guys, so check the description of the video if you're looking to buy some of these floor mats. Otherwise, make sure to hit that like and the subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.